Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'll be teaching you how to change this banner here. Okay, this app update banner. You'd agree with me that in most cases this does not match your app branding. So you want something that looks good, something that will match the style of your app. Okay, so let's get into that. Now first thing you want to do is go to Atomic Fusion. Okay, go to atomicfusion.io. Atomicfusion.io is a place where you can copy pre-made templates. Okay, I've created this one, so just search for banner, okay, and choose this one, customize app updates banner by any. So let's just click on it and see the instructions. Okay, the most important one is make sure to install simple modern color picker by Timo. Okay, so I have this in my library already. If you don't have it, just copy it. So let's head back to the editor. Okay, just click on this Atomic Fusion icon here. If you don't have it, just sign up and install the Chrome plugin. Right, if you don't know how to do that, just go to atomicfusion.io. There is an explainer video there that shows you how to do this. Okay, so just click on it, and then I have it on my library, this, and I'm just going to copy that. All right, that's copied. I'll close this and paste. Now when you paste it, you would have this prompt to create a new page. Okay, that's fine. So create. Okay, so our page has been created, and as you can see we have 7 errors, and that's because we've not installed that plugin. Okay, so let's go to plugin and install modern color picker by Timo. Okay, install that, just close this and go back to my page, and let's reload it. Let's just reload the page and the errors should disappear. Okay, so we have no errors anymore. Okay, this page, let's preview it. Okay, so this is what we have on preview mode, and on this page you'd see several attributes to change the banner, and this is just a preview of what the update banner is going to look like. Okay, so we have attributes like color, hover color, text. We have the text size, the weight, the spacing, margin, padding, and the border radius. Okay, so I'm just going to choose another color. I'm going to choose green. Okay, for the background color, I'll click on save, and you'll be able to see the live update here. Click on save, and then go to the hover color. You want to choose a hover color that is so close to your background color, so I'll just choose another shade of green, but a darker one. Right, I think all right, and then the text, I'll just make the text white. Right, I'll make the text white, give it a size of 12. I'll leave the weight at 600. I think margin is fine, this padding is also fine. Okay, this is looking better already than the default one we have there. Right, and just come here and copy this code. Copy this code and paste it on the settings section. Okay, go to SEO meta tags and just come down to where it says script in body. Now this is the first place to copy it. Okay, I'll show you another way you could copy it to your page, but this is like the easiest way. Okay, it copies it across all your pages. Right, so just paste that there and see what it looks like. So right now we still have this default one. So I'll go to my page and try to change something. Okay, so I'll go to my index page and just move this button here, just to make a simple change. Then when I go back, see, so it has been changed. Right, this is exactly what you want to have. So you can customize this to match your app's branding. Now the second way you can paste this is to just have an HTML element on your page. Okay, so I would go to my settings and just cut it from here. Yeah, just bring an HTML to my page like this and paste the code just like that. Now guys, you want to make sure this is within a reusable element that you would have across your pages, like your footer or your header. All right, just make sure it's visible on page load. I'll just make this really small, and then when I preview this, I'm still going to get the same thing. Okay, let's be sure it really works. So same thing, I'll move a button and go back. All right, so there we go guys. That is how to change the default updates banner of your app. Okay, if you find this tutorial useful or valuable, consider subscribing to this channel and like this video. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.